Number 8. Take a boat tour of Acadia. Acadia National Park is celebrating the centennial year of its founding in 1916, a bold move that forever protected the grand landscape of rocky ocean coastline and pink granite mountains on Mount Desert Island, a special place on the Maine coast and one of the most beloved and visited parks in the United States. For a great adventure this summer, take any of the myriad guided cruises amid the wildlife-rich bays and islands and out to the open sea, for a unique perspective of the park's natural beauty. All tours feature a trained naturalist on board, and some commercial outfits offer interpretive tours narrated by an Acadia National Park ranger, complete with the classic flat-brimmed hat and green and gray uniform. Either way, you'll be regaled with wonderful stories of the park and its colorful history. Reservations are a must on all boat tours. Plan to arrive at least 30 minutes before departure and have your tickets ready. Tour boats are equipped with heated cabins and restrooms, and some provide a galley with food and beverage service. Warm clothing is essential as a hedge against the variable ocean weather, so be prepared with several layers and a windproof/waterproof shell, comfortable walking shoes, sunglasses, sunscreen, hat, water, and snacks. Pack the binoculars and camera, too.